First question, which of the following is the most reactive metal? Option A gold, option B silver, option C potassium, option D copper. Your time starts now. The answer is option C potassium. Second question, which of the following non-metals is a good conductor of electricity? Option A sulfur, option B phosphorus, option C graphite, option D diamond. Your time starts now. The answer is option C graphite. Third question, what is the main gas in gobar gas or biogas? Option A butane, option B propane, option C methane, option D ethane. Your time starts now. The answer is option C methane. Fourth question, what is present inside the nucleus of an atom? Option A protons and electrons, option B neutrons and electrons, option C protons and neutrons, option D only electrons. Your time starts now. The answer is option C protons and neutrons. Fifth question, what are the main gases present in liquefied petroleum gas? Option A methane and ethane, option B propane and butane, option C ethane and hexane, option D methane and propane. Your time starts now. The answer is option B propane and butane. Sixth question, dry ice is a solid form of what? Option A nitrogen, option B hydrogen, option C oxygen, option D carbon dioxide. Your time starts now. The answer is option D carbon dioxide. Seventh question, which of the following acids is used in car batteries? Option A hydrochloric acid, option B sulfuric acid, option C nitric acid, option D acetic acid. Your time starts now. The answer is option B sulfuric acid. Eighth question, brass is an alloy of which metals? Option A copper and tin, option B copper and zinc, option C zinc and tin, option D iron and carbon. Your time starts now. B copper and zinc. Ninth question, what is the chemical name of baking soda? Option A sodium carbonate, option B sodium bicarbonate, option C sodium chloride, option D calcium carbonate. Your time starts now. The answer is option B sodium bicarbonate.